So, wir sind immer noch in meiner bis jetzt Lieblingsstadt. Nicht. Die hat uns nicht so viel Glück gebracht, wie wir vielleicht in der letzten Folge gesehen haben. Die chaosvoll war. Genau. Schauen wir, dass wir das mal ein bisschen gesittet unterwegs sind. Ganz ruhig, Arthur, es ist alles gut.
Try to remember what really happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in 76.
Just a lot of bunk, Plato. It's just a lot of bunk.
It's not bunk, Mr. Calloway, sir. It's history.
Ancient history.
How do you,
Who's your
friends?
friend there? Ha! Put that in your fucking book, Plato.
This is Jim Boy Calloway. The Jim Boy Calloway.
Hi, Jimmy.
Who?
Darf ich Jimmy sagen?
The gunslinger. Fastest left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
What are you waiting for?
How do you mean?
Well, I reckon right now, kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him. I want to deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
And how's that going?
I think I prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could be set free from ever having to speak to him again.
Well, you're starting to understand something very important.
What's that?
The joys of gunslinging. It's win-win, freedom or glory.
That's brilliant. I'm gonna write that down, if I may.
Be my guest.
Solange ein Text.
What's your name?
I don't have a name.
But you are a gunslinger.
Not really. I mean, folks who need shooting, I try and shoot in the back. All that other stuff, it's, well, bunk.
But you fought duels.
Once upon a time, I may have.
And you ain't interested in fame.
I don't think so.
Strange. But you like fortune.
I need money, sure.
Okay, then forgive me, mister, if I seem a little desperate. I am a little desperate. This book, I've got to make a thing of it, and, well, there's a whole list of gunfighters. Legends, every last one. Emmett Granger. Flaco Hernandez. Billy Midnight. Black Bell.
Never heard of him.
Maybe you can go and speak to them. Ask them about Calloway. Any of them get uppity, shoot them. I can't believe I just said that, but...
You want me to go and find some sad, deluded fools like him, ask if he was the greatest, and then if they get uppity, shoot him?
Does sound a lot worse than it did in my head.
How much you paying?
Well, a lot. Half the proceeds of the book, if you help me get it written.
I'll see what I can do.
Ha! Oh, get photos.
Okay.
And there are notes on the back of those portraits that should lead you to him.
I'll see what I can find out.
I imagine we'll be stuck here upon your return.
Danke für GoPro.
Here are some other flophouse.
Okay. Machen wir ein anderes Mal. Machen wir ein anderes Mal. Mäh. Pigs, sheep, goats, cows. Okay. Schön organisiert haben sie es. Ihren Stall. So gehört sich das. Hey, Friends, wo sind die? Sag nicht, dass noch nicht mehr abgehauen. Aber die Ausdauer hat sich verbessert, definitiv.
You know, they don't mention the patrol. I don't think you should just be wandering around here, friend.
Steht ruhig. Und was hast du für einen lustigen Akzent?
Not a thing happens round here without an O'Driscoll saying so.
Got
Understand me?
it, got it. Copy, copy.
Consider this a warning.
So, Ruhe. Ich mache ja gar nichts.
That's it. Off you trot.
Hey, nervt mich nicht.
We'll be sure to keep a bullet warm for you. Just listen out for the accents. Well, if you ain't come back like a damn
Was
headache.
ist da für ein Accent?
Let's go.
Right,
Ciao.
there you go.
Schütteli. Ui, der hat Pfiff. Los, ihr habt gefallen, du Pferdli. Glaubt mir's. Hey, ganz entspannt, Kollege, Amigo. Der andere ist hure schnell. Wir sind schneller. Juhu. Hey, nein, jetzt lang jetzt. Du musst sterben, du nervst mich. So. Nicht für ungut, aber so ist angenehmer. Für uns beide. Wow, aber das Pferd ist richtig cool. So ein richtiger Warmblüter, so ein richtig, der ist gut. Zeig mal. Pfupf. So, gehen wir zurück zu. Ich weiß, ich habe keine Ahnung, wo wir hin müssen. Vielleicht hat es irgendwo eine Map. Ah, wie wäre es mit Karten? Da wäre vielleicht mal noch etwas. Gut, Kopfgeld. Kann man da schnell reisen? Nein, schade. Egal. Gehen wir halt die Karte noch. Let's go! Thanks for the ride. Wo hast du eigentlich deinen Hut? Wo hast du deinen Hut? Das ist noch wichtig. Du musst dich schützen. Vor der Sonne. Der hat keinen Hut mehr. Oh Mann.
Ugly business here.
Zum Pferd springen. Auch gut.
Yep.
Ja, nice. Ein schönes Tier. Ein wunderschönes Tier. Streicheln.
That's it.
Okay. Füttern. Schönes Tier. Wo ist mein Pferd? Oh, jetzt zusammen. Wie geht's euch? Haben ihr das überstanden?
You okay, Abigail?
Settling in.
Good. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Take care, Arthur.
Abigail, was war das für ein komischer Move gewesen? Hi, guten Morgen. Du willst nicht mit mir reden, ich spüre das. Geht's so gut? Hi.
I ain't cleaned myself in weeks.
Kieran, schon lange nicht mehr gesehen. Hey, wie geht's, du Vogel?
Speak! Don't cry, boy. Speak
Ja, echt.
about your gang.
I can't.
Boy.
Whoa! Hold your horses there. It seems the cat has got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
Ready to talk, boy?
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing, okay? They ain't no friends of mine. I just been riding with them for a while.
Bullshit. You see, we heard that part, so how about you tell the truth? That's what you want me to do.
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to tell us what is going on. Who am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys couldn't open his mouth, but he'd tell a lie. Screw it. Let's just have some fun. Geld him.
Yeah!
What's he doing? Where's he going?
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna cause you trouble. You know, in Imperial Rome, eunuchs was among
Und
the
ich mein, das Hüten
happiest
von
and
dir
most
ist schon
loyal
krass
of
gewesen.
courtiers.
No, you kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastard! Oh, what do you want from me?
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen. I know where O'Driscoll is
Gott
holed
doch.
up. And you're right. He don't like you any more than you like him. He's at 6 Point Cabin. I'll take you there. Serious. I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you. No offense.
Oh, none taken.
Okay then, partner. Why don't you take a few of us up there right now? I got this, Dutch. Should be fun. All right, you. Come on. Let's go. Let's both
wow.
hope you ain't trying to trick us, O'Driscoll.
I ain't no O'Driscoll.
Lüg doch nicht.
You sure as shit was. John, Bill, come here. We got a social call needs making. Where we heading?
We're up into the hills behind Valentine. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him.
Sure.
You gonna pay
Wo
your
ist eigentlich
buddies
mein
our
kleines,
respect.
herziges, süßes Pferdli?
He taking us to Combe?
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you
Das ist
to
nicht
him.
meins, aber ist auch
Look, I'll
wunderschönes.
give you more directions when we're close. But if I know where we are, it's up past Valentine.
Ah, da ist es. Da ist es. Ich glaube, das ist meins. Ich glaube, das ist meins.
All right, I'll lead. Sharing saddle with an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say?
Was machst du?
You sure look like one, and
Komm schon, steig auf.
gosh,
Steig auf.
you smell like one
Hallo.
too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you hot.
Oh,
Come on.
Get back on the horse.
Ja, würde ich auch gerne, aber mein Horse, wie super Cowboy bin ich. Mein Pferd haut mir ab.
okay, boy. Let's go.
So. Aber nice, wie es auf mich wartet.
Look out! Careful, Morgan.
Careful, Morgan.
In front of you.
Okay! Morgan! You got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Dutch said that you might... I was asked to give them. And I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it
Wie
to me
wär's?
instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it?
Last goddamn favor I do you.
Hey! Hey! If I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah, I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
Können wir darüber reden, wie hammer die Umgebung aussieht? Ich weiß, ich sage es jedes Mal, aber wir müssen darüber reden, weil ich habe das Bedürfnis. Das ist der Wahnsinn.
Morgan,
Morgan!
you didn't tell me what the O'Driscolls smell like before you asked me to ride with them.
That's because you wasn't asked to ride with us. You was told.
I smell like a stall ain't been cleaned out in a month. I smell like that because you had me tied up there about as long.
You'd be smelling worse if we'd done what some was arguing for.
Granted. I was in with a bad lot. I'm trying to make amends. If I can.
Dann start doch
You
damit,
don't
dass
know
einfach
the
mal
half.
psch,
I do
ganz
know
ruhig
Colm
bist.
killed Dutch's
Dass der Weg
sweetheart.
easy ist.
And that's the man you chose to ride with. A woman killer.
Well, it was after he killed his brother. And the way I understood it,
Making excuses for the man and his crimes. What kind of trap you leading us into, boy?
I ain't. I'm trying to help, honest.
One thing goes wrong. One thing other than you smelling funny, you're the first O'Driscoll will shoot. And quit breathing on my neck.
Now we go left. Road'll take us up and round.
Oh Mann. Ja, stell dir mal sehr unangenehm vor. Also in dieser Konstellation. Wenn sie jetzt zusammen wären, wäre es was anderes, aber so schwierig.
Those are the hills. Head for 'em.
Save your horses, we gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and,
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this gang.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them. And I know all about them, so...
Ach komm, hör doch auf
Tell
reden.
us then. How are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them. You're out to survive like them. You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law. Nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. Colm's a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all.
Then you looked, but you ain't seen.
John, shut that boy up.
Enough out of you.
Boys, we're almost on them. Now, who knows if this son of a bitch we got with us is talking true, but if it's what he says it is, and Colm O'Driscoll's here, we can end years of fighting. Here and now.
Amen to that.
Here, here.
Here,
I
here.
swear, this is where he was...
Shut up.
Beo, beo, que ves.
Okay, now
una
cut left up
cosita,
here. We go
una
down the
cosita
hill
y-
into the forest.
We're going in quiet, taking them out as we find them, trying not to set things off. But if we do, we move quick and hard. We settle this like we know how, okay?
Okay by me.
With you, Morgan.
All right, then.
Through the trees here. Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horses the other side of this clearing.
I'll get my guns off my horse, and I'm ready.
Easy, Bill.
Easy.
Quiet.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
Wurfmesser hat's geheißen. Da.
I said easy.
Follow me, all
Okay.
right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching
Da hat er
you
wieder am Kacken da.
every moment.
I ain't gonna shop you now, come on. It'd be suicide.
You'll die, boy. But you'll lose your balls first.
Jesus Christ. Just over the ridge.
Okay, get down.
The cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers, yep.
And Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze blind.
Ziemlich
like he's
sicher.
not.
Hey, over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. feller that spooked the game, I reckon.
I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself. Yeah. If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger,
Perfekt versteckt.
it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Come on, shake it off.
So viel Intimität hätte ich dem Spiel nicht zutraut.
pisser, Morgan?